Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Good morning. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to another wonderful video, from Kino, Kino Life in Jamaica. So, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from, on this universe, Yeah, but anyway, man, bright smiles anywhere you are. Put a smile on your face. If you're feeling down, put a smile on your face, and that will change everything. Sometimes it's hard for you to smile if you're not feeling well, but once you put that fake smile, trust me, that laughing cells will just start trigger off you to feel better. So just remember, if you're not feeling well, just do like this. Just hold it for at least a minute, and you're gonna feel different. Whenever you feel your gut feeling not feeling well, just put a fake smile on your face, and eventually, trust me, you're gonna feel that laughing cells. You're gonna feel much better in yourself. Eventually the fake will become real. So yes, guys, you can see today I want you to put it in the comment section for your girl Cranberry. It's her birthday. I want each and every one of you to wish Cranberry a happy birthday. Cranberry is that old soul. She is something else. So it's Cranberry birthday today, guys. So you probably get the video here a day after, 2 days after. Sorry about that, because I get caught up in the editing fields. My editing timetable kind of get messed up, so that's why I'm 2 days behind on this video. So yeah, so wish her a happy birthday. Anything goes, everything. So today I'm gonna go get them, go by Mama River and get Cranberry and the old kids them, take them back into Trenchtown. So first I'm gonna bring Cranberry and her sisters to get their hair done, by our Smiley. Smiley, she's a hairstylist as well too. Yes, I'm gonna take her to see Smiley, to get her hair done. She and Nana and the rest of them, So yes, they're gonna get them ears twine up and plait up and thing, for the birthday, Get them a cake, once you get them a cake, get them some ice cream, So yeah, Esther gonna go on the road and do some runnings, we have to do that. We have to play our part, So how the thing goes already. So we're gonna start the cake out, So me and Esther, we're gonna head to buy I think it's Price Mart, to get the cake started out and the ice cream, So at least this time they can visit their friends in Trenchtown, So they will feel what the concrete jungles feel like, on a level surface. They're gonna be running up and down with these kids in Trenchtown. So it's a day when most of the kids them see me will be at school and thing. Some because it's pep time, it's exams. So yes, guys, remember, so put the thumbs up, show the love for Cranberry, give her that, put that happy birthday in that comment section for Cranberry also. So she's gonna be 12, yeah, she's going to be 12. So I'm heading into Trenchtown to go and pick up Esther. So once I pick up Esther, I'll be heading straight into Miami River to go and pick up Cranberry and bring them back to Trenchtown to get them hair done, and get them ready for later on to cut the cake, So imagine she's gonna have a birthday here in Trenchtown. She's not on the river, we'll take her out the river. So Yes, guys. So blessed love, and thank you so much for the love and the support. You know, thank you for subscribing. You know, so if you're a part of that 70,000 subscribers, thank you so much to be a part of that. You know, and please remember, guys, you're more than welcome to be a part, you know, on my journey. You know, you can also subscribe. It won't cost you nothing more than join the family of love. You know, so if you're into the love, join the family of love and love alone. You know, remember to keep the thumbs up. Remember, please keep it positive. You know, keep it positive. Thank you so much, guys. So let's get to go pick up this stuff. Blessed love. Alright guys, so it's a cranberry moment. Yeah, it's a cranberry moment. Hey, I know she go shy. She go and shy, you see? I know she go and shy. She's dropping a ream of this and pay a smile. You know, but when you back turn and leave her alone, different thing. Yeah. Types of guys, so we're gonna pick them up now. You know, we're gonna drop them off. And then Esther go get them cake. Okay, Esther got the cream already and the cup. So a cone. Okay. So then you can have some ice cream and have some cake. And run up and down in a Trenchtown. You know? Yeah. Welcome to the concrete jungle. Take them out to nature. You know, hold on there.
Sorry, you don't see nothing?
No, not there for myself.
Alright.
Yeah, I see. Is there? See one that's a Boom never throw nothing at the water in compare, that's why. Yeah. I always give the river something. Yeah. That means they must give it something. When the time comes, they're going to want something. So what may wash it from a compare with the man them? They come like it wash them more.
And then I put dirty water, but look like it wash it after that.
stone cover.
When you pull up,
Yeah.
no, I'm still gonna wash your stone.
Can see the kids them ready and excited. They're ready to go. Yeah?
I remember see until today already.
Yeah. Evening? Evening now?
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Time of the day evening for you. Time big.
Yeah. Yeah.
Time big man.
Oh.
And I catch color.
Cheers. Yeah. Feel the pine. Feel the pine. Place look greener.
Yeah.
Through the rain.
You tell them to bring change the clothes? You tell them that?
Of course, we tell them. I go, man. Eh?
Tyra now go come. So me I make somebody come in instead of Tyra. Nine.
Who that?
Tyra. Because she want
I call them because
Who?
99. The one I get it over.
Oh.
come Tyra.
One big
When you
girl.
reach up a thing yourself, you say okay.
Happy birthday, Cranberry.
Thank you, Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Come back to myself. We will sing the song.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
You put your hand in doo-doo. Don't waste it, just taste it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in doo-doo. Don't waste it, just taste it. Happy birthday to
You.
wee. Well. Ready for going to Trenchtown in the concrete jungle?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
You happy? Good.
Is that it? Yeah.
What that money?
I got toast with Anna.
Cashy. Rich. On
Anyway,
everybody.
I have on 2 white shirts. Eh?
Don't worry about that.
Watch here. It's time.
Don't worry about that.
When you change that, we have to do the clothes and we're going to change that.
Wanna
No,
change
you
your
come
clothes?
on after him bring him back in.
The bag.
Can't go back where?
So the whole of the clothes in that one bag?
Then you have to pull down there.
What kind of more pull you want? I want to have it.
Cranberry, you want to put on this? I will see what. Put on the shoes, Cranberry.
Everybody come down.
No?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. I chose. Look, never look like it.
Like you change your clothes too? Okay.
Get this stuff from church.
Family Bible. That's nice.
Yesterday she bring can. Some of them are going there.
What is someone there?
Yeah.
You know, we have fun, you know?
4, 5,
We have fun.
7. Which?
White nose, go ahead. What? White nose, that tea.
So what was that to you?
Alright guys, so we're ready. Yeah, your body is ready. We have a substitute. You know, Tara not gonna get to make it, but the next cousin is gonna come as well too. Makeup fan this, you know. Yeah, the makeup. Makeup.
So we're going to have a food happy. You remember the girl that went in our bus?
Yeah. But I cuss you.
Dog.
Mama said, put on the shoes. No,
I'm never worried the shoes.
Why your mother talk to you?
The shoes are banana.
it's the night box. Put it in.
I'll stop war.
So everyone close in that bag?
Yes, Daddy.
Mommy, I put.
We have to put them in their bag.
This is not a shoes there, go in our bag. When you bring in a rag and everything,
I have the panel.
so when you're not going to use rags, you need rag for beard. You're not going to beard again.
No, I don't not for more. Look. Take me out the car back there, you know.
Yeah, take it out back. Kids want to do the doors already.
None of them. None of them.
Want to do the doors already.
Not me.
Well, I do it this one coming in.
Look at me. I mean, you see me come back this morning.
I don't want to paint the part behind the back of the door.
Yeah, look at them mark up the door already. No, sir.
Está Antes esta
That's how it's done. I'm not painting this yet till I finish.
Yeah.
Lock up and get the last cut of paint. I'll see if I get the last cut of paint.
So,
Pass one. You want me?
998, Coco. Look at me.
you come ready?
Yes, Daddy. I'm tell the same teeth. But you know, there's 2 big fish that will move by teeth.
You can stay.
Bye.
Yeah. Later, Kenisha. Go on back up. Yeah.
Daddy. Are we about to come? Are we about Esther? Father, I tell us if you can't come.
Too much. Not the space.
I mean, I tell none of them why them I put all them in the house.
There's too much shower now.
Don't if 99 never there, don't bring Ari, it's time never go.
Yeah.
I told her. But I'll be coming back home. You know that is? The artist. You know that just as a woman, I said, who will be a urban come? You know how much people them happy birthday?
Yeah. Birthday girl.
You don't see much at the time.
Go on. Honest.
Water cold. I know. Let me try water come yesterday. We over this one.
Right, that's one.
Yeah. You say yesterday all the water dirty. I say put one truck off in
How old are you today? How old are you today?
12.
Oh.
You say yesterday we should put one truck off in the business. I know. In truck off. It never come down every you know. You know. It just took a bit. Move about them too. And move about them today. It's a move. See that? Some left the fast time. Catch it in the store. I know boom to buy the water. I'm tired, you know. I'll try it those up.
Remember them over there? Are them come or them here?
No.
Let them come. Yeah, them are such a feisty.
I said them no.
Yeah.
No, I don't know what they
No, but you're feisty.
I tell them, so 150 for my mother juice.
The mango, you sell them what there?
Yeah, and juice to that.
And what happened?
And then, boy, I tell you, it's one mango. Don't say it's that.
Are you still there, mango?
Yeah.
You wanna get this?
And what happened? And when them say that, what you say?
I'm say, I saw my son mango.
Go ahead, never that you say.
And she said, my face.
Tell the truth. What you say? Because I know what you say.
Daddy, I tell her, I say, my mother said $100 for the mango again, and the Eastern and mango is 3 bills. And you can't go get it for $100, and me I get the lick, you know. So then she vexed, and she said, let me just buy it to my daughter and just be the trick. And I know a trick, when me a trick people for.
Cranberry, but no that never that you say.
I even said that.
Cranberry, and me I talk to you. I know.
What should I ask the lady?
Yeah, but no one ever that you say. What you say? Tell the truth.
Daddy, remember.
You don't remember? So, oh yeah.
The lady.
I sell the mango.
Oh, you mean you don't remember? You want to go back and ask her? Okay, you don't want to go back and ask her, because what she going to tell me?
You just can't say a truth. I prefer you tell me.
Look, no, I start. I tell you.
Stop right on the car. Stop right on the car.
Look too much apple. Come here, sir, Daddy.
You still them already?
Come.
Look there, watch a big one there. Yo.
White mouth. One in your yard.
Daddy, I have to take come here.
Never ever come in.
I'm not see you.
You look here. 10 years, you're not going to smoke for next.
I'm glad you're happy and come. So, my God, back. Alright, no, but now. Come here, so. Come the line up. The last time. So.
Why don't I cut my car, so?
Don't get them wicked to Kino.
Kino lifestyle.
Jamaica. What do that? We
People at the back of the hotel.
Excuse me.
come here. The deaf go on again. And a tune, Nana, you forgot the back.
What now, no? Who not got the back? The four not for going right there, so then.
And then I go squeeze up, sorry for
So
you.
serve food not for go squeeze up then.
Go over.
Make taco got the mix.
Alright then.
When I mix it back.
So I'm gonna squeeze up.
Push it back. Very sharp one. Go. Go over with Jason then. Go over with Jason.
Ah.
Oh, that's birthday girl.
Yeah.
I had the face. It's all good. Eh? I don't like you look this one.
Happy birthday, girl.
Yes, like peace good. Good. Got a father.
Manners, my general.
Yeah, boss.
Happy birthday. High five. Oh, that
Happy birthday, Cranberry.
Yes, the general.
Yeah. Bring them in a Trenchtown, you know?
Eh? Don't say I go.
Yeah, bring them in a Trenchtown to celebrate their birthday. Yeah.
Yes, I am.
Let them see what the place is like.
Oh, I bought thing.
I have orange tree.
Yeah, I know how this. How much you sell the car?
Burger, $1,000.
1,000.
Yeah. It's worth it, man.
Yeah, man, I test it on
Yeah, man. Breadfruit burger. Definitely worth it, man.
I'm going on your girl, I want to carpet tree.
Living food. Yeah. For them one too. You know the spot them, man.
Yeah, man, I'm going on, man.
Living foods. I'll catch up later then.
Yeah, man, that's a party, brother.
Alright then. Cool. Man, that's general.
You can't leave her down there, no?
Leave Cranberry down there?
Yeah, leave Cranberry down there.
Alright. Cranberry must leave it down there. Now bring it back. Bring back Toko. Alright. Welcome to Trenchtown.
This is for the children of the world. Teach them well, don't make them be sad, make them happy, let them go. Correct.
Welcome to Trenchtown. She gonna call it the girl what I do in the ear.
Jason says she out here can't do the two of them. Two of them here can't do.
Can't do?
It's dances.
Not wrong.
She said when they don't go to school and they can't do it.
But no. Not really. I'm not really right here,
We're not about
Next time, call my name. No, come name on a gambling here.
Whining.
You can't stay here, miss?
No,
That's
sir.
school.
At school,
No, I say I have to look it, you know. But not now go on. You have this.
But you say no wash and blow dry.
No, you know that.
I don't know. Yeah, I say put up
Yeah, blow dry?
card. It
No,
come
man,
with
them
that.
teeth my blood dry.
It come with that.
Between my time and she, them don't know my blood dry.
Listen, I say I put up big designer card. It's supposed to come with it. I do kids ear. It come with it.
Alright, listen. May I make no, the two of them, she and Toko.
Oh.
The
Three of them are sister.
Yeah, three of them. See the same. Make sure the she and Toko for there, so we keep her comfortable and bring she. Come here, let's find the friend. So Esther will quick and fast then.
Eh?
Let's watch this quick and
Okay, you
fast.
want divine intervention.
Nana,
Where do
come.
you wash and
I want ufa here.
The two of them. I bring Nana got jungle that's right at Mexico. Come. You want to come, little miss?
Me you
No, you're going to stay. Because here you go wash now. Let's split them up. Because my whole take to do the two of them. Yeah. Go in there front, Nana. Go in there front. Front seat here, Nana. Alright guys, so literally, so we kind of split them up because of the timing, to get them ear move more quicker, because this is where I always get my ear done as well too, right here, at Kerry's as well. Sometimes Smiley's sister will do it as well to Moyet, so I make sure come right here. So I'm going to check on Cranberry, which is Smiley's doing her here, and then I'm going to get the cake and everything, so I'm going to head back down the road, to check. Ghana bread. Yeah. Oh, you again? Oh, you just smile?
Yeah, over the top. Over the top.
Oh, you put in one?
No, not in one. The back in one, but the top over twice.
Oh, makes you look cute. Yeah, and I get Keno. I shall get bead.
So me not get no.
You want bead?
Yeah.
You want bead?
So me not say lie. Me not say bead no.
Yeah, I get bead, man. Bead I go in the back. I back like a Smiley.
Yeah, go over to the side of it.
Yeah, put it by the side.
I bet I should cut them small. What I do? No.
Don't worry, man, gonna get bead.
That's how that bread you put in there, the digestion of the lap, put it on the sharp. See them there, so the sharp one, you cut them sharp. Alright, tomorrow, if I see me to school, I get a cup.
Talk of your wash?
Yeah. That's a
Can't be food. Wanna go for the cream.
Yay!
Cake. Get to the cake.
Daddy.
What?
Food no want to cook too. I don't take ice cream.
Food you want to cook. I want also see enough Smiley.
Yeah?
She all of this. She don't need dream yet.
The saga after Ghana, a food you buy. No, something else. Biscuit and then something else buy.
What again?
Oh, tamale, one year it does.
The rich.
I still have my TV.
Yes, Cranberry, I get nice yesterday. Smile, remember that when I go to the world, so let them know what time it is when it's done, So guys, as I say, this is Smiley already. So when that style you're done, so I want Smiley.
Like when it's there, packet.
So I get edges.
So you see woman better, 100%. I like that. She not do ear art. She thinks I'm afraid of me and I'm not afraid of me. Like the one that I start do it. She want to start, but no, when Jay shop up though, she want to start ball.
No crying, Toko, no crying.
Cause she, Esther, yes, I you wash it, and I'm saying wash it. Cause she not about when I hear wash.
Toko not cry, my Toko my friend. High five. See? Toko not cry. Toko not.
Nana come once, Nana here.
Yeah.
Come on, come here. Come here, brother. You see where I whisper?
That no, the same can hear you.
We not whisper, daddy. What?
You want to get juice already too?
So I'm
Okay.
be by them.
Alright, rich woman.
If you ask the man what I'm running, tell you what things do man. I don't mean to get the juice, I come to call you daddy. I'm like,
Are you saying
me say, me I buy all of the juice, just share.
Are you saying you buy me?
I'm going to buy something for myself.
Could I buy cups from biscuits instead of
So the friend, me and them, when them come from school and I go see them and go play. One of them will come down and Daniel and football they want to play. No, when them come from school, your son I go play football, them will.
Yeah? I like that, tell her that we do our school.
Just hold the head.
Daddy.
Okay.
And my father tell. I don't know the father. Yalla! What do you want here to tell Esther? Love my daughter. Anything she want, I can give her. She not pass. Say, sister, me pass him for nothing to start now. Me not ask him. Him forgive me. That's to my birthday. For real. Me pass him. Nah, mommy. You hear me ask him? KFC, pizza.
Yeah. Just the eye.
And you say you want KFC, come on?
Yes.
I tell my mother boy I want KFC. Yes, stop tell her. I tell the truth.
Okay.
About anytime Kina come, she will tell him. If she will tell Kino say you want.
I get nice ears.
But you will whisper no Kino?
Mama them at school too?
No, no school not keep for nobody.
Okay.
What?
Or Eva there?
Eva got my grandmother.
So me them come over later? Come over there. On a football time the sun hot. Them play football out just to look up at them on the street. But that's later.
What's later?
Right now the sun is too hot. What miss?
You want something?
Hey, cranberry. She look different now though, Esther.
Won't eat it.
She look
A cranberry?
different. I can't cranberry this.
No.
This is raspberry. No, strawberry.
Strawberry.
Wow.
So then you're done.
So done. I pick her up and I come back. Pick up the cake and then pick her up. So done by then.
Nobody does stay in a terrible door.
Terrible bad.
No, don't stay. But look, nobody come.
Nobody want to stay cranberry.
Cranberry juice and go down taste good.
Cranberry water is
Hello, Dream.
drink sick.
Dream sick.
Drink sick?
Dream sick.
Yeah, $100 a day. So mother say I would go get $100. Your mother.
Toko next. Right, Toko high five. Toko you're a pretty. Pretty. Toko you're a pretty. You have more beer? Fishy? Are you going to farm?
I school collect put in blue and white.
Sharp black. Sharp
And
black.
black and
Black and white.
you can't put in other color.
You have more black and white, Smiley?
Number school.
Not more black.
Number school.
So don't forget another black and white machine. Come next time we'll go get some.
It's
Come to the juice to come in spoon. You want juice to talk up? You want juice?
You drink water? You drink water. Only which power?
Right. You want juice to look, man? Something there. Sun hot, you know. Burn above. Exactly. Endo. Joseph. Endo. Alright guys, so we're gonna pick up cranberry cake and come back, and then by the time we're coming back, Nana here should be finished. So we should be pick up Nana on our way back as well too. So we're just gonna get this cake and then get them, because they can already pick up the cake already. So later on they can just, because the sun is hot now, the midday sun. This is the midday sun, guys. So yeah, we're here in Trenchtown. We take Mama River and then the river come. Party later, yeah? Party later, okay? Yeah, George, we're gonna tell you what kind of juice now. What kind of juice now? Buster.
You want Buster?
Much Buster?
2.
Much overall?
Where you want Buster too?
You want Buster?
Where you want?
Liquid juice.
You want liquid juice? You want a liquid juice?
Yeah, Buster liquid.
No, I will go to them because you are on the one down so, the fridge down so. So I want to know how much overall is them.
Just reach a price mark. Then you see you have to shop smart. So if you're really going to get the cake. For some reason the pickup line ain't working, so we have to just come in and purchase it. See my mattress here. My mattress this. You said she want blue. Yeah. Please. Yeah?
White.
I see indeed. Got a car ride? Remember, so she want blue cake. She not blue house. A blue house she now. Yeah, but she want blue. Hi.
What? What? How we get different? Me get different. See you okay now? What? See you okay? Oh, so you see you okay now? You're wicked to me.
What?
You get new data.
You get new data.
Wow. I say, get it, daddy. Pizza.
Wow. You see?
That is so cool, yeah, bad.
Yeah, here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where? You don't know, some say boom, not boom. Him and me, I call him, the one I read that time, don't answer me.
Oh, Rasta Jackson, he don't answer you.
Him don't answer me, walk fast.
Pay up for them.
Oh, no fit up there.
That eat off. I know she not hold her mouth, you know.
Let me try them bead I'm cooking.
Blue, white, blue and white, blue.
Look how far I want pretty that.
Nana wanna forget, yeah. She say no answer. Boom. Take that cake off me there. A cake. Nana wanna forget change to blue.
Look how Nana want ear pretty and you know my ear. You look like a bird now.
Yeah, you put me so your ear close.
I saw your ear.
Nana have ear up stretch down here.
Must wake up, come to the wall of my back and
Jack said she see her call you, no answer.
Let's see yeah? Alright, there's some sit down and say, Jack, and you walk past, and this is your message. Alright, just you walk, Jack.
No, me not see so much.
Alright, come. The man said no see you. Come.
Daddy, I need more and be Jackson for boy. Daddy, I know I'm hungry.
I'm not coming pizza.
What? Kino, if you have boy, he might beat me up.
Oh, Zaire?
Yeah. He beat them
No, them they can't stay, black and white. You want to talk? Nice talk. So finish. Yeah, just relax, man.
Toko just cry, man.
Yeah, that's not tight, Toko. What happened to you, Toko? So finish, man. What happened to you? She always cry.
Oh, yeah, tall man.
Yeah. Him say she always cry, but for that year, though. Toko, so finish, man.
Total Justin.
Yeah? She always cry when for a year, though, them say.
You know, you want to know what's that Fredda in her stuff?
What's that?
See it there.
The black one?
Yeah.
The black one. Yeah.
The foot them cricket.
Them cricket?
Yeah.
I put them cricket.
Yes, she that she need to come tell me happy birthday.
When?
Her birthday today.
So I think in December.
So why cake come? You never see cake? She tell me already.
Catalina come here.
Yeah, them do come.
Or them gonna be here. Daniela, how you doing?
Good. And Daniela first reach from school and come here. Why this have to drop off every time?
Actually, attack.
Don't tell her that I'm daddy.
Talk of that. Talk of Tara never come. Tara never did come. But them says talk always cry when you are here, no matter what. Yeah, because them said no matter what, talk always cry when I hear though. Out of everyone. She's very. When you want Nana? Nana, come stand up beside her, Nana. Alright, stand up beside her, yeah. Alright, Toko. Okay, smile out, you got touch her, you know. Okay, smile it now, touch Toko. Hush, Toko. Alright, Toko. Alright. Yeah. Alright, Toko. Toko look different with that hairstyle. I know. I want to know now work.
I'm going down to pick him up.
What's up? Banana here, no. Nana. Woo. Yeah, three of them. What I do?
It's time to go back. No. Hey boy, you're sweating. Boy, come on, test them.
Oh, cute Toko, nice, pretty, nice. You look nice, though. Look nice. Also a dream. She drink gala, all the man, you know. Yeah. When she will come. Nana, I'm go on, talk, go on. See her beside her. Eh?
Not even know where she had them about it.
I saw she go on. She don't know what she went to there.
Get him the supermarket.
You wanna go up there? You wanna go over that side, next side, on the next side. Alright, watch it, come. Take the chair. Come. Come, Tyler. Come, Kioshan, come. Yeah, don't pull the car. Cranberry go right at the front, there's a Cranberry. You go around, there's a Cranberry. That end, let's go that end. So
Kina, that's a birthday.
birthday girl right there. Yeah, that's alright. Whoa.
Genius.
Cranberry day and a cranberry birthday, you know.
That is it.
See how yeah. So listen, where's Cheers? Cheers wasn't here the last time as well too. So we'd have something for Cheers as well too. Alright, so yeah. So listen, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Who did the happy birthday song?
Not me.
Who can sing?
Me.
Alright, but if you can't sing, we're gonna try sing, okay? So everyone's gonna sing happy birthday song. Right? You ready?
Yeah.
After 3, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Cranberry, okay? 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Come on, man, sing up louder.
Happy birthday
To Cranberry. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Oh, old are you know Cranberry? Wanna sing it, man? No ice cream. Let's sing it, man. Sing, man, sing. If,
Hooray!
if,
Hooray!
who want ice cream?
Me!
Who want cake?
Me!
No, who want cake?
Me!
You don't want no cake. If,
Hooray!
alright, so listen, I make Cranberry. The dog that party too, only for do that. She want cake. She have baby, you know, well at 10. Alright, so first I give Cranberry her birthday money. She get birthday money. Esther, come Esther. So Cranberry, don't get shy because it's her birthday. So we have 7,500 for Cranberry from Sandra from Bronx.
Sandra from Bronx. Thank you so much.
Yeah, all her head in the camera, Esther. All her head. Fine. I make Esther keep it. And we have the other day as well, we have some donation we give out to the 5 girls them that went to Miami River the last time. Cheers wasn't here. So Cheers, here's your $1,500 from who again? Sharon? Sharon, yeah, Sharon from Georgia. So you can thank Sharon from Georgia. Alright. So alright then, so we're gonna come Esther, we're gonna cut the cake now. So Cranberry, come on this side. No, come on this side. So everybody else come on this side now. So everybody are gonna help Cranberry cut the cake, right? So we're gonna have 2 sides over here.
It smells nice.
Snake smell nice.
So you say? Or so?
No, so each side. So another art.
You broke my heart.
Mika, go around there as well, no? Go around there. Cranberry, come right here, so.
Make sure come at the front.
Come at the front. So everybody, some will lamp and Nana, come right over here. So classic. Yeah. So classic. Someone will lamp and Nana, will it on here. Come, put your hand and Nana on there. Put some on there. Yeah, so put your hand there now, Cranberry.
So make Toko
So
right.
Toko.
Toko should go right in between Cranberry and Nana. Come round in between Cranberry and Nana. Come to.
Oh, Mika, Cheers, you come on this side like you're taller.
Yeah, make sure come here. Make it smooth. Wait, take up.
Come, make Toko.
Make Toko come there,
Toko
so.
come through. Cranberry, step aside.
Just a cake.
Go round there, so Daisy.
Come my best friend, come around here, so. So, Mika, hold her hand there, so. Come on. Wow, this is a race. Right? I really remember saying that you can't mash up the cake in the car for the mash it up. Oh, I'm not going to eat it. Right? I'm not going to pull it that direction. Right? Yeah, God, go and pancake. We're going to say, on your mark, pull up cock, get set, go. The cake mash up, but don't eat the ice and eat it. Oh God, look at cranberry face. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright, so if anybody will mash up that side there, I'm not going to eat it, you know. Yes, take out the knife first, Esther. So who will mash up that side there, that side there? I'm not going to eat it.
Check by the camera and see.
Check the camera and see. So we're gonna give them now.
It ain't eye cranberry. It ain't eye?
No mind, no blind now. Like them ice cream?
Yeah.
So ice cream time, right? So what so ice cream time. We want 2 lines. We need 2 lines. The line this, look how this where the line is. Look this side. No, so far. Oh, so we want 2 lines. One on this side and one on this side. 2 lines, please. Oh, well on there. So Daniel have a gift to Cranberry. Why never give me a long time? Come here, Cranberry. Daniel have a gift for you. Stand up right here. Wait, take a gift first from Daniela. Say, tell her thanks.
Thank you.
So thank you, Daniela.
Thank you, Daniela.
Happy birthday.
Give her a hug, birthday hug. Yeah. Cranberry, so make her card, you miss. Alright, so we want 2 lines for the ice cream. 2 lines for the ice cream. Yeah, wash your face. Where's the line? Where's the line for the ice cream? One line go that side. Oh, over there, son. Hey, gonna relax on yourself. Hey, Kelsey, calm down. Come to this side as well, to another line over here, son. Everyone's gonna get ice cream. Come on here, son, mama, come. So that's 1 line. Come here, son. Another line here. Body, get in the line. Listen up. Hey, Zaire. Make him stay. Everybody again.
Hey, 1 line, girl in 1 line.
Alright, 4 in line, girl in 1 line. Nana, go over there, Nana.
Give me 5.
Hey, you know some expert better from the big today?
Yeah.
And them are the word.
And then put it in the box.
Hi! The expert better from the big to them.
When I say part of LQ, put them look on my phone.
Yep. Hey, relax now, please. Yeah, small one them at the front first. Well, the small one, for the small kids them at the front. Hey, we're not fight for. Stop the fight and come. Come right here, so come. Stand up right here, so. Come. Stand up right here, so. Oh, Kim stay, it's alright.
How much?
Yeah, how much?
10.
Alright. Got the back of it. Got the all this. Yeah, 18.
This is your ice cream and cake.
Yo, me have 4.
For ice cream and cake?
Give me a stick.
Thank you. Come on the line now. Don't worry, we'll put the cake on the hand when time is ready. You don't want a spoon? You can't skip Sam. Toko that. No, get them man. Sarah, take a Toko, take that. Go on, go on, chef, come go and tear the file. It's like it's so done, is that? No, cut it. Come on. Come here, son. Cash out one of them, son. Just tear them and shut them in, son.
But the original spoon, anyway, kind is original.
No, spoon.
Well talk.
They said it's
No, come on. Go on, spoon.
water. You want some water? Marisa, you want a cup of water, no, please? Okay, no, a cup of water.
What's your ice cream I got you?
Squeeze it on it. Come here.
Why that's squeeze out in daylight savings?
Cranberry coming at Trenchtown, come get big party. Cranberry, come get big party. And I saw that a Peter. A Peter.
Come on. God so loved the world that he gave his
Only begotten Son. Go on now.
that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life. No, we mean Psalm 1 verse 9.
I'm a best to that. Who not get cake yet? Come. Who not get cake? Who got cake job? Fair? Pause it. Give me that. Give me that. The baby cake job. Who for baby? Make you sit down right there, sir. Make you sit down. I'm more like you.
How you say? I'm 12. That was a happy birthday.
Alright, I'll get more ice cream. Come.
Daddy, let's me again. Okay, Daddy, touch the camera.
Can't go and share to the reach from
What? And a piece there?
It's not tone.
that's for you from
Una get a cake.
Who not get cake? The adults say not get no cake. Yeah. Who not get any cake? I want to buy your lip songs.
Ice cream.
I want that. A cake that they buy your mouth.
Let us for the whole family. Dream, Jojo, Hadisa, Ryan, Zaire, Kyle, Baja. Everybody.
Who else not getting a cake? Who not getting a cake? When the soon on, who not getting a cake? Who not getting a cake is here? Lie.
Who I get cake?
Who not getting a cake?
Everybody get cake.
I want to buy your mouth.
I like the cake.
Who not getting a cake?
The boy has the ice upon the mouth and say, no, come to extra one.
You get cake? You want cake?
A tree, you forgive me now.
You get cake already? Okay.
Cake lovers.
Eh?
No, it's never there.
It's not doing it.
Oh, yeah. Everybody get cake?
Yeah.
Shelly get cake?
No. You need to get a cake.
Put on Shelly cake one side.
I like our tree cake now again.
Oh.
I like.
Alright, I'm glad you talk.
Hey, how are?
What going up here, so? Skylar, get cake already? Skylar not getting a cake.
Oh, try to get cake. Where get the boy at here?
She eat it? Okay, Kiyosha say you eat it.
Yeah.
Kiyosha say you eat it. She get ice cream? What you want? Man, I will like your hairstyle. The only come is, Nana, hairstyle nice though. And talk. Come and Esther. Come on, come and sit here.
I'm not sure from the end now.
How far baby this? You want when she walk with that cake?
God of
Come.
generation. I can't get God of
Kino. So should I be good?
Come, what is?
Kino.
Leave our balloon, no?
Put your deal ready.
Hey.
RJ!
Ain't hard yet. Oh yeah, you missed the party.
Hello. Hello.
What's
that Cranberry there?
Yes, it can be. Share this here.
Where? What's she there?
Huff, huff, huff.
Yeah, the black one. Them look like twins. Them look like twins.
Gino, come in that book. I'm okay. Daddy, I do asking you want to know.
Yeah, like that good enough.
Yo, ultimate shot.
So what do you have? The balloon that's here? Zaire, the balloon that's here. Are you switching? Are you switching man balloon for?
I'm gonna switch
What is it? Oh. Toko, come. Come away, Toko. Come this way, Toko. Come this way, Toko. Now everything?
You can get a good wash. You can try me.
Warm sweet home now. Warm.
Big dog out. Hey!
Yes guys, it was a long day today, it was a long day, so give thanks, at least they have a wonderful time here in Trenchtown, Cranberry on her birthday, Cranberry on her birthday, so yeah, they just left the concrete jungle, now they're back in the river, back.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.